Work in teams. Choose the correct answer in 10 seconds or less. If the answer is correct, your team gets 1 point. If the answer is wrong, your team loses 1 point. The winner is the team that gets more points. Are you ready? Let's go!
I often blank on Saturdays. A. Play. B. Is playing. C. Plays. The answer is A. I often play on Saturdays.
My aunt blank dinner at the moment. A. Cooks. B. Cooked. C. Is cooking. The answer is C. My aunt is cooking dinner at the moment.
Our bus blank. At 8 p.m., A. Stayed. B. Is here. C. Arrived. The answer is C. Our bus arrived at 8 p.m.
We always blank to the teacher. A. Saying. B. Listen. C. Hear. The answer is B. Listen. We always listen to the teacher.
My sister, blank, a letter to the president. A. Is writing. B. Are writing. C. Writes. The answer is A. Is writing. My sister is writing a letter to the president. Did you blank the dog today? A. Fed. B. Is feeding. C. Feed. The answer is C. Feed. Did you feed the dog today?
Tracy, blank, a new TikTok dance today. A. Learns. B. Is learning. C. Learning. The answer is B. Is learning. Tracy is learning a new TikTok dance today. My brother, blank, to drive last year. A. Learned how. B. Is learning. C. Learns. The answer is A. Learned how. My brother learned how to drive last year. Can we blank favorite show today? A. Watched. B. Is watching. C. Watch hour. The answer is C. Watch hour. Can we watch our favorite show today? I blank swimming yesterday. A. Went. B. Is going. C. Gone. The answer is C. Went. I went swimming yesterday. Which team had the most points? You did amazing! Until next time, Dream Team, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.